How to change country on PopMart app? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application PopMart. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Well, once you have been logged into your account, head over to Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then in this page, tap on this icon at the top right corner. You'll be able to see the option of country or region. Click on it. Tons of different countries or the region will be available to you. From here, choose any of the specific country that you would like to add in this app. Well, let me change the country to Spain. Click on it. Click on this checkbox and then tap on Continue. And there you go, the country on the PopMart app has been changed. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.